What up, YouTube fans? It's your boy C-Spec Kurt, man. I'm back up in this thing today, man. I'm out here with the 2500 HD, and check it out, man. I've been having some noises, man. When I'm driving, I'm hearing a whole lot of air. Like, where's all this air coming from? Like, psh, under acceleration. And you know, I popped off my wheel cover right here. Let's get a little quick look, and the culprit is right there. You can see it. Got a tear in my flex tubing right here. So real quick, I'm gonna take it around for a spin, guys, just so you guys can hear what it sounds like. We're gonna go from there. All right, gang. So we're just gonna go for a quick spin around the block, just so you can hear what this noise sounds like. Don't want to get my steering wheel strings dirty. I'm losing some power. I'm definitely losing some power, but I don't really notice it though. But I definitely notice that loud hissing sound. So it's like a big old blow off valve. That's what it sounds like. So we're about to go back to the house. I'm gonna snatch that tubing off, and I'm gonna run up here to the Chevrolet dealership and see if we can grab one from those guys. It's a lot of air coming out of there, gang. A lot of air. Whole lot of. Yeah, that's what that is. So we're gonna get the thing taken care of, though. We're gonna get it taken care of. You hear that whistle blowing? Ooh, it sounds so good, though. And the hissing even sounds kind of cool though, but I know it shouldn't be there. There's definitely a whole lot of going on right there that shouldn't be going on, and we're about to take care of it right now, so stay tuned. Gang, it's just so much going on, man. We got a 2500 over here. I got to fix this tubing, got air coming out like crazy, and we got the 1500. I got everything put back together. Just got to replace these plugs and wires, and I think we're gonna be a go. I threw back on my electronic ignition. I'm a distributor. I have a HEI distributor, but I'm trying to stay away from it. But it's been hard to turn over. It's a lot of before it even starts. But I'm thinking my plugs and wires going to take care of that problem. So we are going to see about that. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. Let's see. All right, gang. So what I'm gonna do is first, before I go try to replace this, I'm gonna see if I got enough room to cut out that spot. So this is where it's at right here, and it's a result of movement and vibrations, of course, as every issue these vehicles be having. So let's cut that out. Don't see how it worked, gang, but can't be too sure. so we cut that piece off. Cut that piece off right there. That's where it's bad at. You see where it's the dirtiest. So let's just see if we can get it to go back on here with the amount of piping that we still currently have. As you can see, we're still very short. All we're gonna do is blow that off eventually. Let's see. And we need to just see about getting another hose. So let's get it. Yo folks, check it out, man. All right, so I went to the dealership, I ordered the part. Can you believe that little flex tubing was $103? I mean, I can't believe that. That is crazy. $103 for a little flex tube, man. You know, I was tempted on Amazon, but this is not gonna be like the dealership. You paying for what you get, man. You paying for what you get. So I went ahead and ordered it, and I'm showing you guys right quick another modification I've seen online as far as like how to get this is a resonator for your airflow. It cuts out on the sound by creating, you know, got a reservoir here. And yeah, we're gonna do away with the reservoir. Actually, we're gonna keep it because I like the look of it. And what I did is I took this toy football right here, I'm gonna stuff it in there. I'm gonna cut this football, and we're gonna keep this 6.6 liter cover, okay, and block the reservoir out, so that all we're using is right there is the intake. So let's see, yeah, we're gonna do that and keep it moving, gang. So that part gonna be in the morning. I'm gonna get that part in the morning, and then we're gonna install that part, and my 6.6 liter diesel should be back ready to go. Okay, so stay tuned for that. As you see, we got that part out right there. So make sure your pipe is nice and secure, because if it's not secure like it should be, it's gonna vibrate and move, and over time it's gonna put a little hole in that blue hose. So this is your boy, man. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. New part coming now. What up, folks? It's your boy, man. A whole nother day. I'm back. I went to the dealership. I picked that part up. Got that part thrown on the truck, and yeah, we back in business, man. It's all moving so fast that I didn't come back to you, but see if we can get a visual. Oh shit. Alright, so that's the part right there. Screw it back on. Everything is good to go. I secure my hose. Yeah, got my hose secured. Let's take a look at it. Right here. As you see, I use zip tie. Secure it to the brake line over here. I put a rubber hose underneath the brake line, and wherever it's hitting metal on metal right there. Alright, so it's nice and tight. Yeah, the main thing with trucks, man, secure as many cornices as you can that could be potential to move under vibration or travel. Man, these trucks are notorious for shaping wires and stuff like that. So do your best to secure that stuff. Close it up. Alright, gang. So this baby is ready, man. It's ready to go, man. I'm glad you tuned in for the video. It wasn't nothing major, man. Just a nice, oh man, I forgot to show you guys what I did right here. Alright, gang. This is what we did right here. Let's cut the truck off first of all. Alright, check it out, folks. I'm pretty sure I was losing some power with that hose blow, with that hole in that hose, okay? But we're gonna see on the next travels. But check this out right here. You see that right there? I got my air resonator delete, and I didn't order it online. I went to Lowe's and picked it up in the hardware section, gang. I went and picked it up in the freaking hardware section for a couple of dollars. The part number is QC102. QC102. You can get it at your local Lowe's. It's a 2-inch quick cap. 2-inch quick cap, okay? Use it for plumbing and stuff like that. Throw that baby on there and it deletes the resonator. This right here that's on your truck right now, that's a resonator. It's hollow. Air goes in it and baffles and quiets the air down. You want to get a little bit more noise? I think this is gonna do it based on what I'm hearing and reading online. So I did my part, threw it on there, and I'm gonna go from there, gang. All right, we're gonna go from there, man. Your boy ready to turn in, man. It's time to get me some sleep. It's broad daylight, but I'm a vampire, man. I sleep during the daytime. All right, so let's check in. Please like, share, subscribe, man, to the channel. It's your boy C-Spec Kurt, 2500 HD. We got the C10 over here. What's cooking? What's happening with it? It's over here. We're about to get this baby thrown back together. Just got to get the timing situated on this baby right here, man. It's gonna be Gucci. I might have to throw back in my HEI distributor. I don't know. I got to get this freaking digital ignition thing set up. So hopefully that goes easy. I'm gonna call Tech when I get up and situated, and we're gonna try to get this thing troubleshot and go from there, man. It's your boy C-Spec Kurt, and I'm out of this thing, man. Bye, y'all.